Hey guys, this is Pete from Leisure Time, here with another episode of What's Wrong with My Hot Tub. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at a hot springs flash. The customer was saying how they were noticing the water level was dropping about 8 inches over a 2-week span. So we're going to go through, I've already kind of taken a quick look. I don't really see any leaking issues, but we're going to go over a few spots where it's the most common place to leak. So right off the bat, when I got here, I did notice that right here on the drain plug, so you have a ball valve, and this was actually in the open position, but the cap was closed. So typically if there's an O-ring inside the cap, you shouldn't really see any leakage happening, but it's a good idea to keep that ball valve closed with your drain cap on. So that was the first thing I noticed. Second thing is a typical leaking position. We'd inspect the heater. On the end cap here on the inside is a good leaking spot. We'd also take a look at anywhere where there's an O-ring, where there's sort of like a connection, so the sensors go in here. I don't see any leaking going on there. And then you have the bleeder line on the end over here. Again, everything's dry, no sign of leaking. Another spot is a typical place for leaking will happen on the jet pumps. We'll look at this one. Anywhere where there's a union, you want to double check that, make sure it's nice and tight, everything's dry around there. And then the shaft seals. With a brand new hot tub, I'm not really thinking that there's any issues with the shaft seals, and as you can see, everything is dry around there. The other thing is the air bleeder line that goes on the end of the pump in here. Just double check that and make sure there isn't any water dripping from there either. Another spot where I have had issues can be breather tubes for the jet pumps. So you'll look in here and see some kind of random vinyl tubing lines that just kind of run off and then don't go to anything. And what these are breather tubes for the jet pumps. Sometimes the jet pump will develop a siphon where the water starts coming back through there, especially if your water level is higher than what it's supposed to be. Typically we recommend water should stay below the pillow line, but as long as you're covering all your jets so you don't get water spraying when they turn on. But I have seen where the customer brings your water level up, and then of course when they get inside the tub it brings the water level up even higher. And things like your diverters here, where it's pulling air from the outside, the water level gets above that diverter, it can start siphoning back out through those breather tubes. Another good spot is if your hot tub has the salt cartridge right here. On the inside of the tub, there's the cartridge housing, and there's this tube that comes off the side, and this is basically your overflow. If water gets up above that, the O-ring on the cartridge, it starts to overflow and then leak out. I have seen sometimes where the O-ring doesn't quite make a good seal, and if I were to take the handle and kind of wiggle it a little, every once in a while we'd see a little bit of water come through there. I'm not really seeing that happen right now, but I'll kind of do it to so you can see what happens. If I were to remove the cartridge, you see that overflow just spilling water out the side there, and then it's gonna come out the side of the tub over here. So if your cartridge isn't in properly, or it's getting wiggled around, or the O-ring might be bad, you'll see that overflow run some water out through there. That could be a leak. So a lot of times when there's a leak happening, you pull this panel off, and this kind of butcher paper, that'll be like a moist spot where the leak's coming from, but I'm just not seeing it. I can still punch my hand through here and kind of reach into the foam. And what I'd be feeling is the bottom, the underbelly of the tub, just to see if it's wet, and it's not. Everything's dry right there. So I'm not real concerned that there's a leak actually happening here. If you have any questions for us, leave it in the comments, and we'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe to get future content from Leisure Time Inc.